Hi, welcome back to our channel, Tiana and Ace Taste. Thanks for stopping by. This week's video is a pitaya bowl, and Tiana is about to walk us through it.
So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pitaya bowl. Those are the really pretty pink smoothie bowls that you see. They're super sweet and people describe them almost as like a bubblegum or cotton candy flavor because of that. So to start, you want to make sure that you have your blender, and in that you put a whole banana. This gives a lot of creaminess and also helps with the sweetness. Hi, Apollo. You smell banana. And then what makes it the really pretty pink color are these dragon fruit chunks. They also are called pitaya. So pitayabowl, dragon fruit, same thing. So I'm just gonna eyeball, but I would say about half a cup. And then I add a few dark sweet cherries, some raspberries. So the banana is not frozen, I just did a fresh banana, but the dragon fruit, the cherries, the raspberries, and then the last thing is strawberries, those are all frozen. So with the raspberries, I do like a quarter of a cup. And then with the strawberries, like 4 or 5 strawberries. And then to that, you can add a little bit of any non-dairy milk. I am using oat milk right now, so let me just grab that from the fridge. And I actually have a vanilla oat milk that I got from Whole Foods. I got that from Whole Foods. And just add, honestly, a very small amount to the bottom. You can always add more if you need to, but you want to make sure that it's not too wet. You want it to be nice and creamy. And then this part's going to be super loud. So because you're keeping it kind of as dry as possible, you need a really high power blender. I have a Ninja, it works well. And with mine, what happens when you start it is it kind of flings up a lot of the fruit. So I'm just gonna grab a spatula and just kind of push that down. And then blend again until it's completely creamy. So now to get it in the bowl. And look at that color.
How fantastic does that look? Makes you want to just go make one, right? You can top it with things too, like fresh fruits, strawberries, raspberries, bananas. You could drizzle a little honey on there. You could do cacao nibs or like me, probably semi mini chocolate chips. You could put sliced almonds on there. It's almost endless, the ideas that you could come up with. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with family and friends. Comment. Subscribe if you haven't. And if you have, thank you very much. We post weekly. Hope to see you next week.